Hey there, fellow digital marketers. My name is Your Name, and today, I am beyond excited to share my experience with paid online writing jobs. If you've been searching for a legitimate way to make money online, you're in for a treat. So let's get started with some questions you might have in mind. First question, does paid online writing jobs really work? Yes, it absolutely does. I was initially skeptical myself, but let me tell you, this platform delivers on its promises. I've been using it for a few months now, and not only have I earned a substantial income, but I've also honed my writing skills along the way. Is paid online writing jobs good? Oh, it's fantastic. The variety of writing tasks available is impressive. You can write articles, stories, and even get paid for proofreading books and scripts. Plus, there are opportunities to write reviews and blog posts for additional earnings. Next, does paid online writing jobs have a warranty? Absolutely. They offer a rock-solid 60-day money-back guarantee. So, if you're not completely satisfied with the platform or its results, you can get a full refund, no questions asked. Is it worth it? Oh, you bet it is. The potential income you can generate through paid online writing jobs far outweighs the investment. Plus, the skills you gain and the flexibility it provides are priceless. Now, where can you buy paid online writing jobs? Here comes the scarcity and urgency part. This exclusive opportunity can only be found on its official website. I've included the link in the video description below, so make sure to click it right now before you miss out. And lastly, who is paid online writing jobs for? Well, it's for anyone who wants to make money online while leveraging their writing skills. Whether you're a student looking to earn some extra cash or a digital nomad seeking a sustainable income stream, this platform is perfect for you. So, there you have it, my genuine testimonial about paid online writing jobs. I've personally experienced the benefits, and I can't recommend it enough. Remember, this opportunity is only available on the official website, so take action now and click that link in the video description to secure your spot. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to see you thriving with paid online writing jobs. Happy writing and happy earning!